In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the McDonald's app. So first, download the app. The first thing that will pop up will be the home screen. Now on the home screen, you have menus and deals. And if you scroll down a little further, you'll see trending, which just gives you more ways to pay with your faves. To start your order, hit full menu. So on the menu, you have your deals, sandwiches and meals, McNuggets and meals, fries, shareables, sweets and treats, and of course, your Happy Meal. I always look at deals when I start my order. This way, I can save some money. So with deals, you can either get a double cheeseburger or a 6-piece chicken nuggets, or get a McFlurry for just 29 cents when you buy one. Now, my personal favorite is 20% off any purchase of 5 or more. Go ahead and select Add to Mobile Order, then select Use Deal. Okay, so your deal has now been added to your cart. So let's look at sandwiches and meals. Now when you scroll down, you'll see your price of $5.79 looking taller than ever, the Big Mac. You also have the Quarter Pounder with cheese, double bacon Quarter Pounder, cheeseburgers, and hamburgers. For my order, I'm going to select the double Quarter Pounder with cheese. So McDonald's locations do close early, but the ones that are open 24/7 on certain items, they will quit serving after midnight. Now these are just a few drinks that are offered. If you scroll down a little further, you'll see the additional choices for drinks. But with these, you have to pay extra. Once you selected your drink, hit view your meal. If everything looks good, hit add to bag. Go ahead and review to make sure everything looks good. Now to pick up your food, you can do this a couple of different ways. You can do this with curbside, table service, counter, or drive-thru. Once you selected your pickup method, hit review and pay. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Download the McDonald's app, available on the App Store or Google Play.